JBL Junior free, latest open format hearing aids designed specifically for children. However, I'm curious to know if you believe it's a good idea for parents to provide hearing aids to their kids. JBL believes it's a good idea as long as it's done safely. The audio company has launched these completely wireless headphones with younger audiences in mind. A key feature is the volume level limiter, which ensures that sound stays below 85 decibels to safeguard their hearing. Additionally, their open format design enables children to remain conscious of their environment. These headphones also come with parental controls accessible via the JBL Headphones app, which lets parents keep track of usage time and control volume levels. Clearly, given the current limitations, they cannot monitor the specific content their children are listening to. For that purpose, they would need to find alternative methods. They provide up to 10 hours of battery life with IPX4 splash resistance and feature physical buttons for easy control. Additionally, they come with a looped headband for a secure and comfortable fit. Currently, they are available in Europe at a listed price of €69.99, which converts to approximately $75. However, keep in mind that prices here differ from those over there. Would you consider purchasing this type of headset for a child? Please share your thoughts with me in the comments section.